Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to turn off repost on X. So if by saying that you want to turn off repost on X, you mean that you want to remove a repost that you already made, then let's open X application on my phone. And before that, let me just quickly make Repost. And now I want to tap my profile picture in the top left corner of my screen and access my profile. So now let's find specific repost that I want to turn off. And I want to select this icon that looks like two arrows in square, that is repost icon, and select undo repost. As you can see, it immediately disappears from my account, and that means that I have just removed a repost that has been made by me. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.